That's why they fuck it up, it on.
Yes, my viewer, subscribe, it's your boy Djstullaa from here, the Vice. You know how it is. The long and waiting tune from Alkaline drop. And we are say, yo, full vibes. But before we turn it up, pray this.
Turn up, it up, it turn up, turn up. In a ya wanna till the sun up, come up. Turn up, it up, it turn up, turn up. Full of vibes, full of vibes, full of vibes, yeah. Wine funny, pussy fat up.
Viewer, subscriber, before we turn it up, Alkaline start off by tell us, say, yo, we know want no boring girl, and we say X amount, we can relate to that. Cause some girl come at your yard and feel say them a baby a nursery. But when a girl come at your yard, things forget turn up, things forget mash up, things forget beat up from night till daylight. But yeah, before we go down in a hit, we are gonna run the intro, so walk with me. Yes, my viewers, it's your boy Djstullaa. We say if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share, or you can press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it, or you can catch us on the gram at Djstullaa. Say nothing more, your boy one.
Anybody that like she a ride a bike. If a book a girl, we a the ride a time. Pretty face, that kind of time. Make your bust inna the pussy like a dynamite. And if it be a baby, yeah man shoot for the baby.
Yo, we say dagger. Yeah, man, shoot for the belly of that Alkaline I talk about. Seeing a man I make you know say, yo, things forget stab up, things forget joke up. You see me? And when I talk about no war thing, you get me? Because when a girl come at your yard, viewer, subscriber, some girl can give you some work and make you stay work. And a them kind of girl the Alkaline I talk about, when them sit down pan it, them sit down pan it.
Girls and the girls and she waiting. And she know all of the Navy. Watching on the party, me couldn't make you pass me so. Them boy, they no cash and they no bossy so. The manager girl with some real classy so.
Viewer, subscriber, Alkaline I make you know say in a party in buck up this a gal ya. Saying, and you know say more time when you buck up a gal in a party or a dance and you take it back home and I beat it, you know say sometime them gal I wanna the gal will give you the wickedest work. You see me? Make you end up have to start beat it for a couple of months before you start that shit way. And right now them kind of gal the Alkaline I talk about. So right now that tune ya, after the gal then we can see where Alkaline a break.
That he hurt and he start to your heart, yo. That's the list, me say, that's the list. Button up your foot and make me tap up your meat. Buy on your ice cream, then you got bitch. Couldn't make your mind up me, carry your hit. No for do for please me.
Viewer, subscriber, a man I make you know say from him take it home, put on a little thing pan it. She know every little move. She know every little way how to please him. And at that me I try tell you, when on a buck up certain gal a dance, and you know say that the girl they under certain vibes, and that's why the tune called Full Vibes, cause me can see where Alkaline are meds. You see me? And Alkaline get the tune Full Vibe because Alkaline make you know say yo him take back the catty and him take back the catty full of vibes so much that the catty know everything where him a think, and me say pray that. Viewer, subscriber, big woman thing. You ever see a man buck up a girl a dance, you're virgin, and then after a while him and the girl start go out and you say, yo, me never know say you go out with that the girl. A them kind of girl Alkaline a talk about. A girl we full of vibes. You see me? Because a virgin never know say him would have buck a girl like this. But him buck it and the girl know everything we fi do. The girl know how to put it on. The girl know how to turn it up. And at that Alkaline meds in a this one, we can see it because yo, we reach them the level there and we see them thing here. Meds this.
But did they ever tease me? That mind girl upset, see how your life set. I want thing do what me can be. The mind I wanna get with boring. Them vibes not play. Girl I don't fool him. Pretty good, yeah. That's why they fuck it up, it turn up, it up.
Yes, my viewer, subscriber, long time we are wait for something from Alkaline. And me I say Full Vibes, yeah, me can see it. You see me? And something where me can relate to. I me like it, Alkaline, you see me? But right now we say, yo, viewer, subscriber, it's your boy Djstullaa. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. When I say nothing more, your boy Djstullaa one.